and clear. I roger that. I been the truth, boy, something like 100 fucking fat. These scary niggas pussies, I swear big balls is what they just like. You stepping up to me, you be helpless like a roach on its back. I'm always right, I'm never wrong like the weatherman. I keep a bad bitch on the side like David Letterman. And she call me Willis cause I show her I got different strokes. And then I hit them all and ball out, boy, because I'm never broke. See, you just Frazier on Ali, but I'm just playing that rope. But though I got your girl so wet that the whole squad just call her super. So I'm drowning in that pussy, boy, I swear I'm trying to stay up. Feeling good, feeling right here, bright bitch, I'm just feeling like the fucking Pope. I'm running through these girls like a race, I'm trying to win it. But these hoes play more games than the 96 Olympics. One thing you must remember, every girl has a limit. Young Rebel rip the track, roger that, I don't finish. Now roger that, roger that. Roger that, roger that. What the hell you mean that you haven't found Roger yet? Snap, crack, pop, oops, I think I broke Roger's neck.
Still stacking up, you know my money is. Never look into my rear and I face the world with no fear. Fearless, I'm on my Jet Li shit, and I'm going in hard like I'm about to fuck your bitch. Pass it to me every time I'm done with it, she do the click. Psychopathic group of addict, that is what I'm calling it. Look, I keep a bankroll like a fatback on a fat hoe. Straight after this guap on my mind is to get dough. No dro, no dough, no hoe, that what it equal. I'm in that bitch swimming around like a torpedo. She swim near my water, she'll go missing like Nemo. I got a Mexican hoe, call her ass Tortito. I'm bout my chips, slap your ass down for my Doritos. Catch it in my hood and knock your ass out like Debo. Tune head about to blow up like C4. SYCKO, I got that psychopathic lingo. Now roger that, SB Psycho Black. Fucked around and knocked Roger's ass off the track. Posted in the hood like the big ball player shit. Psycho Black done ripped the track, now roger that.
Fresh out the mill, came to East Atlanta. Your girl stay hooked, so we call that bitch a hanger. 7-4 original, I'm a black flag banger. This boy meets world, bout to go in for Topanga. Keeping all my fingers down, well, now my middle finger saying fuck all my haters and his haters. I'm a motherfucking player. You can ask my auntie Dana, I be geeked up to the sky. I'm not T.I., but I say ain't I. Your girlfriend taking pictures like she want young Trill to frame her. She wearing all these colors like that bitch from Wanna Fana. Wanna fun her from your mama, brain a drama like Osama. Want a problem solver, solve my problem with revolver. Now go on, roger that, you fucking alley cat. I got your girlfriend screaming like a sound effect. This nigga owed me money talking about a Roger stat. Gave him a Roger sack, told me he would pay me back. Now roger that, roger that. Now roger that, roger that. I found Roger in the charger, shot him in his back. Trillville so ill, that's the Trill attack.